Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So I filmed my April 2018 Fright Crate unboxing, and which is what you're gonna see right now, and I completely forgot to do my intro. So I'm doing this right before I edit the video. I'm just doing a quick little intro. So this is my April 2018 Fright Crate unboxing, and I'm gonna put all the info down below in the description box if you're interested in getting this box. Unfortunately, by the time this goes up, I don't know if the June box is still available, but it is themed specifically. I thought it was werewolves, but it's actually Vampires versus Werewolves, which is really awesome, even more awesome. I prefer werewolves, like I say in my unboxing when I'm talking about June's Fright Crate. I do prefer werewolves, and it's really rare to find good werewolf items for whatever reason. I don't know why. I think werewolves are awesome. So yeah, but so the June theme is Vampires versus Werewolves. I think there are still boxes available. I got mine at I don't know, 11:55 a.m. because today is June 1st. So I filmed my video May 30th. So for 2 days I've been sitting on this. I'm sorry guys, it's just everything's kind of been a wreck with my computer camera, but it is working. I got it working, so I had to reinstall everything, and I'm gonna fix my setup, get it working again, and hopefully I'll be back to posting videos on a more consistent schedule from here on out. So yeah, enough jibber jabber. We're gonna fade out into my April 2018 Fright Crate unboxing. Enjoy! Alright guys, so here we have our box, and right in front, as usual, our Fright Crate has a quote. This April month, it is, "If a million people see my movies, I hope they see a million different movies." And that's from Quentin Tarantino. And he's the director of From Dusk Till Dawn, Death Proof, also obviously like Kill Bill and other gems, Django Unchained, etc. So this is pretty much the April box. I know it's like the end of May, but I got delayed with my shooting schedule because of the problems I've been having with my equipment. And then on top of that, Fright Crate in general, you purchase it. This is not like a monthly subscription. This is something that every first of the month you have to go on the site and purchase it. So generally the way I do it is I follow them on Facebook, and the owner, his name is Jay, and he posts up, he'll post the Fright Crate franchises for every month, and if I'm interested, I'll make sure I set an alarm on my phone so that I make sure that at midnight on midnight the first of the month, I go on the website and I make sure to purchase my box if I'm really wanting those specific franchises. So generally there's a t-shirt and other kinds of collectibles. Lately they've been having figures from Serial Resin Co., which I've really enjoyed. The last month we received, I guess that would be March's box, we received a My Bloody Valentine figure, and that was amazing. So I'm really excited to see what's in this box. I don't remember all the franchises, but okay, so enough of that. Ooh, it looks like something spilled there. Ugh. All right, so this is the t-shirt. Oh, we did get a figure. Okay, let me not get ahead of myself. So here's the t-shirt. And we got, ooh, Beetlejuice. Okay, so this is not the best angle. I'm trying to show you the whole design. But you can see there's Lydia. And she's wearing the red wedding dress from the scene where she's going to marry Beetlejuice. So that's pretty cool. And you see all the other characters. There's Beetlejuice. There's that, the undead beauty pageant queen. The smoker. Really cool. And I forgot their names in the movie. Gina Davis and the other guy, and that's them when they're trying to scare Lydia away from the house. They're learning how to be ghosts. So yeah, I wish I could get a better angle, but that's pretty much it. It's this is a size large, and it's pretty good actually. It looks like it'll definitely fit. So I really enjoyed that. That is a really nice, it's pretty good quality too, pretty soft, and I like the design. So that's making me happy because I love Beetlejuice. Let me just close up the knife. All right, so let's just go for the figure because I'm really excited. All right, so oh yes, so we have right here, we have the thing. Am I getting it? Hold on, let's see if we can back it up a bit. So maybe if I tilt the camera, oh, that's much better. Okay. All right, so at least now we can get it in frame. So we have oh my god, I forgot his name, Kurt Russell's character. Oh my goodness, is it like McCready or something? I can't remember. But yeah, so we got a figure of his, and you can see at the bottom right here, if I can get a little closer, you can see there's the thing. It's like the spider head. So that looks really cool. I love the detail. It's so tiny, but you know, you can see it. And then you can see here, if I can get it a little closer, there's his face. He's got his shades and the flamethrower. And like, this is not as easy to open as the other one. The My Bloody Valentine was in really easy open packaging. I don't know what happened. They changed it because this is definitely sealed, so I would have to cut the packaging to open it. That's kind of disappointing. I really prefer when it's the collector friendly packaging, and I thought that's where Serial Resin Co., like the direction they were going in. But I guess they changed back. Maybe they felt this was more secure. I'm not sure. But yeah, this is not collector friendly. Like, I would definitely have to cut open into this, and I don't really want to, because then it's, you know, you can't reseal it. So that's a little, that's the only negative right now. I was really excited because last month the My Bloody Valentine was in collector friendly packaging, so I was able to take it out, display it, and then now, you know, now that we're in summer, etc., I decided to put it away until, you know, closer to Halloween, and I was able to put it back in the packaging and put it away safely. But this, not so much. But yeah, this is a Fright Crate exclusive, although I do think they are available on the Serial Resin Co. website. So if you're interested in purchasing this, they're a bit pricey. I think they're about $30 to $35 for the figure. So if you were unable to get the Fright Crate, the April Fright Crate, and you like this figure, you can go to the Serial Resin Co. website. You know, I think it's just serialresinco.com. If not, just Google Serial Resin Co. There's the name right there, how they spell it. Serial, like serial killer. Serial Resin Co. And I think they still had this figure available. And some other figures as well. So yeah, this is really cool. The only thing I don't like is the packaging. I really wish it was the collector-friendly packaging. But that's an awesome item. Okay, let's see what else we got. All right, we always generally get a pin. Ooh, 30 Days of Night. Okay. All right, and this, again, why am I forgetting everyone's names? So this is the lead vampire, I believe. That's what it looks like. So you can see a good close-up of it. So that's a pretty cool pin. If it's, you know, it feels a little, it's nice and smooth, it's shiny. And it is a Fright Crate exclusive. So ooh, there's a bit of a glare. And it has 2 pin backs there. So that's good. Because it's a pretty large pin, if you can see that. Like, I don't know, I guess compared to my hand, that's a pretty large pin. So that's cool. I like that a lot. I like 30 Days of Night. It's a really good movie, actually. Okay, so we have an item here. Okay, so this is what was wetting everything. So we have pink slime from the Blob. Oh man, I hope it didn't dry out all the time it took me to open this box. Let's see if I can open this. Oh, ooh. Oh my goodness. Oh, it's moist. Yes, indeed, it's still moist. Oh my god, that is hilarious. Oh, there we go. All right. Oh, that is really sticky. Oh, that's interesting. Okay. I remember as a kid, I used to love Ooh, playing with this stuff. Oh, it's so like gooey. Do you see this? Oh, that is so gross. That really feels, it really feels gross. But it's fun. It's like weird and like soft, but it is kind of sticking to my fingers. You gotta just use it, like use it to tap it off your hand if it gets stuck. That's really cool though. It's clever. I like that. You know, because the blob, like, come on, who doesn't know what the blob looks like? And it's kind of hard to do like a figure of the blob or something. And we're, you know, I guess you could have done an art print, but this is clever. I like that. So this must have been what was causing those wet stains on the box. So that's cool. So we got some pink slime. That's fun. All right, and then the final item, it looks like it's our art print, and there's something else down here. All right, that's our spoiler card. So if you look, that's it. The box is empty. So let's move it out of the way. And now this is our art print. So we got a certificate of authenticity. Let's see what it is. Ooh, Amityville, the possession. Can you guys see that? Let me see, maybe if I can move the camera a bit. Sorry. I'm making you dizzy, but I want to try to get the full frame of this. Look at that. That is awesome. I really like the colors on that. That's really cool. Oh, and it has a little heart. That's so cute. Look at the autograph. That's pretty cool. All right, let me put you back down before I drop you. Woo, there we go. All right, so let's see. We have... It is signed, and let's see, does it say? Because I can never read the signatures. I'm like, I shouldn't be one to talk. My signature is crazy. Everyone at work is always like, oh my God, what the hell is that? I'm like, it's my signature. So let's see, here we go. Certificate of authenticity. Fright Crate has issued the certificate to authenticate the signature of Diane Franklin. Oh, okay, so Diane Franklin, and then this little card here tells us who she is. Celebrity autograph of Diane Franklin for her appearance in Amityville 2, The Possession. Diane has also starred in Terror Vision and Bill and Ted's Excellent Adventure. Oh, pretty cool. All right, that's interesting. So, like, that's her signature right up here. So that's really nice. I like that. And I'm assuming that's her character in the center. It kind of looks like her. The art, you know, whoever the artist is of this print, I don't see the artist's signature. But this is a pretty cool art print. Maybe it says it in the spoiler card. So let me just lean this back here. We have our little, see, this doesn't stand up. Oh yeah, that's not happening. Maybe I should have left the box over here. That would have helped. All right, so we have our spoiler card here. And let's see, what's in the box? April 2018. You guys can see that, right? Let me just, all right, there we go. Exclusive, it's showtime. Beetlejuice shirt, yes. So the amazing artwork by Chris LeBrenz, and that's the T-shirt artwork. Exclusive only to Fright Crate. All right, that's pretty cool. And there you can go if you want to check out Chris LeBrenz's art. You can go to his Facebook or to his Instagram. Then McCready. It is McCready. Is that what I said? Oh, wow. I got it right. Okay, so McCready figure from The Thing. They are among us. Check out this 5-inch offering from Serial Resin Co. before The Thing takes you over. Again, there we have the website and the Facebook page for Serial Resin Co. if you want to check them out. Exclusive print, Amityville 2 Celebrity Autograph. This month on Fright Crate, we have the celebrity autograph of Diane Franklin, one of the main stars of Amityville 2. Oh, here we go. Here's the art by Blank. So I don't know if his name is Illustrator, I'm assuming. I don't know. But you can check his stuff out at Illustrator on Twitter and Instagram. So that's cool. I like that art print. The art is really cool. Then we have the exclusive 30 Days of Night pin. There's no escape, no hope, only anger and pain. This 1.75-inch pin has a double clutch and custom back and is also screen printed. Art by Jay of Fright Crate. Okay, so the owner of Fright Crate created the pin art. Really cool. Then we have the exclusive blob pink slime. Yes, this was so much fun. Exclusive slime made especially for Fright Crate. Do not touch it. It will consume you. Inspired by the Blob remake. Pretty cool. So next month on Fright Crate. Okay, so next month I did get, that's the May box, which is coming. So I did order that. So it's Friday the 13th, Reanimator, Nightmare on Elm Street 4, The Gate, and a mystery theme. So I was really excited about that. And also, today I believe is May 30th. And they're you know, obviously on the first of the month is gonna be the June box. Oh my God. It is all werewolf themed. So I'm letting you know right now, if you're into werewolves, try to get this box. Jay has gone all out. Like, it's all werewolves, craziness, like full moon, all out. And I am so excited. I have set aside my pennies. I am definitely gonna be there at 12 a.m. June 1st to order this frickin' box. So I'm really excited. And yeah, so this was the April Fright Crate. I really liked everything. I guess out of all the items, you know, I pretty much have to say my favorite is the figure, except for the packaging. Other than that, though, everything else is cool. Like, the t-shirt is really nice. Like, I don't have any Beetlejuice t-shirts. And this print is really cool. I always like the prints because I like stuff, you know, it's very easy to store, you know, it's a print. So if you're not going to display it, it's easy to put away until you are going to display it. So I like that a lot about the prints. This is fun. This is the novelty, obviously. So it's not something that you can display really, but it is interesting. Definitely going to show my husband. So this will be fun to play around with. So I don't know why it's specifically modeled. It says after the remake. Maybe the blob was pinker in the remake. I don't really remember. I remember the original. And the blob was pretty kind of like a, not really pink, more like a clear reddish kind of color. But then again, that could have been all the blood that it was absorbing as it melted its victims. I don't know. I just remember it being more red than pink. But yeah, this is just like weirdly enticing. Like, I'm like, ooh. I guess that's why kids like to play with slime, because it's just weird and gross, but fun to touch. Yeah. Sorry if I'm grossing anyone out. It's just really fun to play with. So yeah, let me know what you think. Comment down below. You know, I think this is a great box. Like, you know, you don't have to get it every month. You just, you know, kind of keep an eye out for, you know, when they have franchises that you like. You know, if you don't have the money every month, that, you know, who does? You know, you just don't order it that month. I like the fact that it's not like one of those auto renew, like you subscribe and then you constantly have to be on the lookout to cancel it. It's kind of the opposite. You constantly have to be on the lookout so that you don't miss good franchises. But I'd rather do that, see what it is, because, you know, Facebook, I don't know about you guys, but I'm generally on Facebook every day checking stuff, you know, family, friends, and I'll see the posts, I'll see the franchise, and I'll say, do I want it? If I do, I set my alarm on the phone and I'm ready to go. So I kind of like that than the set it and forget it type of subscriptions, like Bambox. I constantly have to remind myself, oh, gotta skip this month because I don't like those franchises, stuff like that. So yeah, I believe this box comes out to, after like tax, shipping, it comes out to like $36, $38. I'm not 100% sure, but I will link all the info down below and you can check it out yourself. So if you like my channel, if you like my content, hit that like button, click the subscribe, and let me know you're out there. Bye-bye for now.